Hi grade 5s, welcome to your fourth lesson of ukulele this term. This week we're going to be learning an extra song, and it's actually going to be our last lesson this half term because I'm going to go let you practice for your midterm assessment, and I'll tell you more about that at the end of the lesson. So let's get to learning some ukulele. So today we're going to be learning a very famous song that you'll definitely know. I'm not even going to tell you the name, I'm just going to sing it for you. 1, 2, 1. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, Lord, I want to be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Alright, so let's break it down and let's learn when the saints go marching in. Alright, so our first chord is a C. This song is actually in the key of C major. And all we're going to do is we're going to use our strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So last week we learnt that pattern for down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So all I'm doing is taking that pattern and adding an up at the end of it. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And the reason why I'm having that up is so that it gives me a chance to change my chords. I like to call it the transition up. So I can easily play an up without pressing anything and just count my next chord on that last up, and you'll see what I mean. So let's start off. We have a C major that's held for a very long time. So let's try it out. 1, 2, 3. Up, down, up, down, down, 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 up, down, up. All right, so let's try and count how many times we do it with the words. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. So we play that C for 6 times, and then we go to our G for 1 time, and then we cut it off. All right, so B, down, down, up, down, down. I've cut it off. All right, so down, down, up, down, down. All right, so let's try the C for 6 times, and then we go to our G for 1, and we cut it off. All right, and we'll rest for one whole bar. 1, 2. When the saints go marching in. Oh, when the 5 go marching. Here's the G. All right, let's try that one more time, a little bit slower. Oh, when the saints down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, 4, down, up, 2 more, 5, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Oh, Lord, I want to. All right, so what we have there, after that G, we go back to a C for 1 strum. Oh, Lord, I down, down, up, down, up. And now here comes a new chord. We're going to have a chord called C7. So in guitar, actually in any instrument, you have 3 main different types of chords. You have a major chord, which sounds happy. You have a minor chord, which sounds a little spooky. And you have a 7th chord, which sounds goofy. So happy, spooky, goofy. Alright, so we're going to bring in one of those goofy chords. C7, very easy. So C major is over here. All you do to play a C7, take your index finger, finger number 1, put it on the 1st fret of your A strings. Remember, giant cats eat avocados. So right there, that's our C7. So after we do that G for 1 time, and then cut, we play C for once, then C7 for once. Alright, then we go to F for twice. So C for once, C7 for once, F for twice. Alright, so let me do that with a strumming pattern. 3, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. One more time, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Now let's try it with the words. Oh Lord, I want to be in that number. One more time. Oh Lord, I want to be in that number. Oh, and we'll take it from there. Let's now try it from the beginning all the way up until there, up until the F. 1, 2, 1. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh Lord, I want to see 7 with that number. Oh, when the... Alright, so almost done. So now you take it back to C. Oh, when the saints go. We do that for 1, down, down, up, down, up. Down. Oh, when the saints go. Down, down, up, down, up. Then now we're going to have another chord, another 7th chord. So the same way we have G major. Remember how I told it to you? We make a tunnel with our index finger and our middle finger so that something can pass through. And then there's like a car in front of that tunnel, because here is in front. Here would be behind. Now to play the next chord, which is a G7, we're going to make a tunnel again, but this time have the car behind the tunnel, okay? So I'm going to make a tunnel with my middle finger, so follow along. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of your C string, right there. Skip the E string and put your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, alright? So E, A. So you've made the tunnel there. And now with your index finger, you're going to put the car behind it. So on the E string, you're going to put your index finger on the 1st fret. And there you go, tunnel, and nothing's in front, but something's behind. So let's try it again. That's called G7. Middle finger, 2nd fret of the C string, ring finger, 2nd fret of the A string, index finger, 1st fret of the E string. That's how it sounds. So if you want to move from C to G7, you need to know this shortcut. And in ukulele, we always love shortcuts because it allows us to move very quickly. So from C, all you do is you take your ring finger, slide it to the 2nd fret. Don't remove it, just move it. Alright? I like to move it, move it. I like to move my ring finger right there. So don't remove it. I don't like to remove it, remove it. I like to move it, move it. So slide your ring finger to the 2nd fret and then add the rest of the fingers, your tunnel and the car at the back. So let's try moving from C to G7. Ready? C, G7. Again. C, let's go. G7. Again. C, G7. One more time. C, G7. Okay? So this song goes, oh Lord, I want to be in that number. Oh, and here's the C, go G7, and then C. Alright? So what we're going to have there is that last part is C once, G7 once, C once, and then a G. So notice how I went from a C to a G7 to a C, then I lift up my ring finger for a G. Okay, so C, G7, C, G. And for that last G, we're gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright, so up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Go. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So 1 up and 3 down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's go again. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. shake it off. Let's go back that G in 3, 2, 1, go. Now, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 3, 2, 1, go. Now, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Finish on C. All right, so let's try that last part. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Here it comes. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now here's one quick trick. When you're going from that C, go marching in. Notice what I do here, I hit it. Cut, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright, so there's a cut. So all I do in the cut is I release my fingers. I don't remove them, I just release them and I block the strings from being heard. So, cut, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Cut, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Try it with me. 2, 3, go. Cut, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Cut, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Again. 3, go. Cut, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. C. Alright, so let's try that last one. Oh, oh, when the saints go marching in. Here it comes, cut. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Alright, you finish on that C. So let's try the whole song. Nice and slow, then one time at full speed. 1, 2, 3. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, Lord, I want to be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Cut, cut, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, C. So you could keep it going instead of going just stopping on the C. You could keep going up, down, up, when the saints. So just keep it going. All right, let's try it full speed. 1, 2, 1, 2. When the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, Lord, I want to be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Cut. Alright, so it's a whole lot of fun if you can play quickly. Alright, grade 5, so that's it for today's lesson. So this is our last lesson before our midterm assessment, so just remember you have to practice hard during this time. And what I'm going to ask from you is you're going to play in the jungle, and I'm going to put you in a group and you're going to play with your friends, and I'm going to be seeing who is able to hold the rhythm well and who's able to change the chords well and be able to play with others well. Because playing an instrument is not always about playing by yourself. We love to play with other people and make good music with other people. So it's a very important aspect when it comes to music. And we're going to be doing that more and more often. The next thing, I want you to learn When the Saints Go Marching In, and that one you're going to be playing by yourself. So you have to make sure you get it good. So 2 things that I want you to practice: in the jungle, and you'll be doing it in a group, and When the Saints Go Marching In, and you'll be doing it by yourself. So make sure you take this time to practice hard, and for all the things that might be frustrating, if your fingers are hurting, if you feel like you just can't get the rhythm, if you're not able to change the chords quick enough, all of that can be solved as long as you practice. And I'm sure a lot of you are already finding this absolutely easy and are like, I would be ready to do this assessment tomorrow. And that's the spirit I like. So make sure you practice hard, make sure you know your songs, and I will see you in your midterm assessment week. So, bye for now, grade 5s. Practice hard.